Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're about to back up for a new phone. Start now. First, make sure your iPhone is on Wi-Fi and plugged into power so the backup won't interrupt. Check iCloud storage or prepare a Mac/PC for a local backup. Encrypted local backups include passwords and health data. Sign into your Apple ID and have two-factor verification ready because you'll need to approve the transfer. Once set, choose iCloud for convenience or Finder/iTunes for a full, encrypted copy. Now perform the backup step by step and monitor progress. If you chose iCloud, go to Settings, tap your name, iCloud Backup, then tap Backup Now, watch the progress indicator. For a local backup, connect to your Mac or PC, open Finder or iTunes, select your device, check Encrypt Backup, enter a password, then Backup Now. Make sure the final backup shows a recent timestamp. Export irreplaceable photos or files separately as an extra safeguard. Finish by restoring to your new iPhone and validating data. During setup, choose Restore from iCloud Backup or from Mac/PC. Sign in with your Apple ID and enter the encryption password if requested. Once restored, check that apps, messages, photos, and health data are present and reauthorize any accounts or Apple Watch pairings. If something goes wrong, retry on strong Wi-Fi, confirm iCloud storage and iOS versions match, update software, or attempt a fresh encrypted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.